Chief Minister of India's Western Gujarat state, Narendra Modi, addressed the Indian diaspora in America via video conferencing and gave forth his definition of secularism as India first. He gave the mantra of Ek Bharat, Shreshth Bharat and added that we must move ahead with this mantra. Modi also emphasized on skill development of the youth and asked the diaspora to help in holistic development of India, tourism being one of them.
Denied a visa to visit US to deliver the keynote address at the India Economic Forum in Philadelphia, Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi took to video conferencing to address Indian American community live and exclusive on TV Asia, saying his idea of secularism is India first. Modi, in his almost an hour-long speech, addressed the expatriate Indians living in the USA through video conferencing session from Gandhinagar early in the morning on Sunday.
मेरी सेकुलरिज्म की डेफिनेशन बहुत सिंपल है, इंडिया फर्स्ट। हम कोई भी निर्णय करें, कोई भी काम करें, जिसमें भारत सर्वोपरि होना चाहिए, भारत की भलाई से नीचे कम कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए। अगर ये रहा तो सारा सेकुलरिज्म अपने आप हमारी रगों में दौड़ने लग जाएगा। हम भारत का नुकसान कतई नहीं होने देंगे, न भारत की इज्जत का, न भारत की प्रतिष्ठा का, न भारत के सपनों का, न भारत के नौजवानों के भविष्य का।
While pointing out the dismal economic conditions that India is facing with the current federal government struggling to cope up with it, Modi projected the growth of Gujarat under his leadership and added that progress and development in Gujarat is being noticed across the globe.
ऐसे माहौल में जब चारों तरफ अंधेरा हो तो कहीं दूर सुदूर भी एक दिया जलता है तो उस पर ध्यान जाना बड़ा स्वाभाविक है। और ऐसे माहौल में गुजरात ने वो दिया जलाने का काम किया है, एक आशा का संचार पैदा करने का काम किया है। बहुत तेज गति से ऊपर उठा हिंदुस्तान 21वीं सदी के प्रारंभिक वर्षों में ही इस प्रकार से उसकी हालत हो जाए तो किसी को भी चिंता होने का स्वाभाविक था। और ऐसे समय गुजरात की विकास यात्रा की चर्चा देश और दुनिया में पहुंचने लगी।
While keeping his image as a potential candidate for the Prime Minister's post, Modi laid stress on harnessing the power of the youth in India.
भारत एक ऐसा देश है जिसके पास सर्वाधिक नौजवान है। अमेरिका में बैठे हुए मेरे भाइयों बहनों, आपको जानकर के खुशी होगी, आनंद होगा। आज हिंदुस्तान दुनिया का सबसे नौजवान देश है। 65% हमारी जनसंख्या 35 साल से नीचे की उम्र की है। आप कल्पना कर सकते हो, इतना यौवन से भरा हुआ देश जिसके नौजवानों के नौजवान सपने होते हैं, जिसमें साहस होता है, सामर्थ्य होता है। अगर उस शक्ति पर हम कॉन्सेंट्रेट करें तो हम कितनी स्थितियों को बदल सकते हैं।
Invoking Swami Vivekanand and youth in his speech, Modi said development is the key to all the problems of the country. He urged the large Indian diaspora to convince foreigners to visit India as tourists. Once they start coming to India, it will give a big boost to the country's tourism industry and strengthen the economy. In particular, he urged the Hotel and Motels Association of the US, which is dominated by the Gujarati origin people, to show India on the television sets of their rooms. While addressing the community outreach program, which was viewed by a large number of people across USA and Canada through exclusive broadcast by TV Asia, the Gujarat Chief Minister said that many Indians living abroad come back to India and try to do their bit for the country. I respect all these people. 19th century belonged to the European countries, but the 21st century belongs to us. We have made strong impact on US economy. The country's union budget allocates rupees 1,000 crores for skill development. In Gujarat, we have allocated rupees 800 crores. This should give you an idea of the Gujarat model. We can change the world, we can and we will. I invite all my NRI friends to visit Gujarat. Wherever we stay, Our links with our roots, our culture, our tradition must remain. The Bharat Prem and Bharat Bhakti must remain and increase over the years, Modi avowed.